What up guys, this is Pastor Kana again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about arrays. Um, Arrays are a special kind of variables that can hold multiple values using the same name. Yeah, we can store, retrieve, and process. So a home, you know, a home you have, I guess you have, everybody has a dresser, right? And every dresser has like multiple drawers. So each drawer can hold something different. Like for example, the first top drawer can hold your socks, second drawer can hold your shirts, and the third drawer can hold your pants. And let's do that. Let's just do let. Let's just do dresser. Dress is just an example we're working on. Usually we start with opening and closing a square bracket, and then inside double quotes, and then we're going to say socks, and then we do comma, and then we do pants, and then we do last one. Let's just do shirts. Okay, semicolon. Save that. And here we can just do show message, and here we can just do when we're working with arrays. Inside the bracket they're called elements. So in these elements they already have index number. So socks going to be index 0, pants going to be index 1, and shirts going to be index 2. Oh, sorry, something fall down. For example, we're going to do dresser, and then we're going to do open and closing square bracket, and then we're going to do 0, and then we save that, and then it should give us socks. So we choose that, and then we just do 2, it should give us shirts. Okay, right, that worked. And now if you want to know the length, you just do length gth, and then save that, and then you have three elements. All right, that worked. Now, do you want to know if this is an array? We can use the array object that has a method is array, and then we're going to pass that dresser. It should tell us dresser. Save that. That's true. That's a array. And also we can use in arrays, we can use numbers, we can use strings, and we can use booleans. So we can just do 5, number 5. We can do, that's a number. We can just do a spider, that's a string, and then we can use boolean values, true, and objects, and etc. Right? But let's do something really cool. Let's change right here. Let's just change. Let's pretend that you want to know. You're going to have a list of guest names, right? Let's just do guest list. Let's pretend somebody's getting married, and this is the list. So we're going to say Pastor it's invited to that, comma, Alexandria also is invited as a for the guest, Alexandria, and then let's just do Julie also got invited to the wedding. Right, now let's get rid of this. So we're going to ask the user, let's just do let guest name equals, we're going to do a prompt. So right here we're going to say enter the name, enter if if your name is here in the guest list. All right. Okay. So now what we can do over here is the following. We can say if guest list that we're going to use this method includes guest name, we're going to say the following: show message. We're going to say welcome, and we're going to say guest name. Okay, we say welcome, whatever the name is. Okay, now else, let's just do this. Let's just copy here this line of code, paste it right here, and then we can say sorry. Concatenate, we can say your name is not on the list. On the list. So basically what happens is that the user is going to enter, they're going to come, this is the list, the guest list, right? There is 3 people to get invited to the wedding, and then there is a command, there is a prompt that will show up and ask enter your name if you're part of the guest list. If you are, it's going to say welcome and mention your name. If you're not, it's going to tell sorry, your name, you're not part of the guest list, or you're not in the list. So let's see, let's save that and refresh that. Okay, enter your name in here in the guest list. So if I do pastor, I am in the list, right? It should give me, yeah, welcome pastor. Cool, I'm right there. So let's just do it again. Let's just do Julie. Just type the name. Welcome Julie. Okay, that's there. What about when I say John? Is John part of the list? No, John is not part of the list. Let's do okay. Sorry, John, your name is not in the list. See? So that worked. This is how you use erase. So we're going to continue talking about erase in the next video, right? All right, have a good night, and hopefully this video helped you out and in your journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye.